Hoisting is a mechanism where variable and function declarations are moved to the top of their scopes during runtime. This can sometimes lead to unexpected results if you are not aware of how it works. When you declare a variable using var, the declaration is hoisted to the top of the scopes. For example, this is equal to this. The declaration for x is hoisted. That's why the first console log didn't throw an error. But the assignment x equal to 5 stays in its original place, so the first output is undefined. Now, variables declared with let and const are also hoisted, but they are not initialized. They enter a temporal dead zone from the start of the block until a declaration is reached. That's why if we console log the variable x before the declaration like before, it will throw a reference error. Next, function declarations are hoisted entirely, including their body. Note that here we can call the say hello function before the declaration because it's hoisted to the top. Things are different with function expressions. Function expressions are only hoisted as variable declarations. This example would throw an error because the say hi variable is hoisted, but not the function part. The same is also true for arrow functions. And that's all of it. Thanks for watching.